In this video, we'll show you how to create a quote using our quick quote builder. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. Just click My Account and register with your email. If you're part of a construction company, design firm, or any other trade, your account can be linked to your team for easier project management and invoicing. Now you're in your main dashboard. Here you'll be able to access all your quotes and orders, track their statuses, and make updates. To add or edit information in your account, click the Account button at the top right. To create a new quote, click New Quote. In this video, we'll use the quick quote form, which is the fastest way to get a price for your project since it's almost like a fillable PDF with drop-down menus. Every quote will be revised by us before you can place an order, and they can always be edited. First, give your project a name and enter the address of your construction site. Next, name your locations. A location groups together fixtures of the same type on the same power supply. For example, you could name one location Kitchen Under Cabinets and another Kitchen Ceiling Coves. Now, to be able to effectively fill out this form, you have to be a little familiar with our products and know what the name is of the profile that will work best for your project. All of our spec sheets are available in the product page of our website. Then you can select a color. It will filter the LED strips that are available in that color. It's good to note that when you are looking at the drop-down menus, the name of the products are visible, which will give you a bit more information about the product without it being a full description. Once selected though, the code will be visible. The quantity is the number of profiles that you will have that are identical. If you have two fixtures that are the same length but do not have the same input or output wires, then you would need to create two different fixtures. All you have to do is fill in the correct information for each fixture. The input wire brings power to the fixture. We offer standard wires in different lengths and wires with quick connectors for faster installation. If you're unsure, choose a standard 8-inch wire and contact us for guidance. We also have this great little notes field that you can add a question or comment in. The output wire is only needed if you want to connect this fixture in series to another. While this is possible, we don't recommend long chains since voltage drop can make the lights dimmer towards the end. To keep things simple and reliable, we suggest powering each fixture separately, which means each with its own run to the power supply. Next, choose a power supply. Our program calculates the number of watts for each load, so you can easily see if the power supply or supplies you have selected are enough to sustain the load. Finally, add any extras you might need. For example, if you've chosen quick connectors as your inputs, you may need extension wires. If you're connecting multiple fixtures to one power supply, you might need wire connectors or splitters. You can also add accessories like door sensors, for example, to turn on pantry lights when the door opens. Now, if you have multiple locations, you can simply repeat the steps. At the bottom, above your total price, you can check the box next to product installation if you would like us to add an installation fee for this quote. At any point, you can save your quote if you need to exit before finishing it and come back to it later. Once you are finished, then you can submit for approval, and a member of our team will review your quote and will either approve it, or if we see that there are potential errors, we can get in touch or edit it on our end. Now that you're done your quote, if you have plans for this project, you can upload them here. This is helpful for us to make sure that you are ordering the right products for your project. Once we've approved it, you can go ahead and place your order. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and we're looking forward to working with you.